Hey there, pilots! Happy Flying Friday. For today's flight, we got the F-35 Lightning II by FMS. All right, it's gonna be your maiden. Let's see how she does. Okay, we're losing daylight, so I'm at the schoolyard. Gonna take off right here. I'm probably land on the grass. Let's see how it goes. There it goes! Beautiful! F-35. I got it on mid-rate. Nice. Need some trimming. Kind of losing daylight, so. Oh, this thing is smooth. It's so quiet. I set my timer for 3 minutes. I might be able to land right here in the asphalt. It's so quiet. Flies great. F-35. Try to get some low passes. It took off nice. My full throttle right here. Woo, smooth. Pretty smooth. On the YouTube videos I've seen of this, it sounds louder, but this one's super quiet. And this is the video I showed you, the NX3 gyro. Oh, that's a beautiful bird. I love it. CG is good.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Got 1 minute. Beautiful. Wow, she's a dream. Super stable. I can't believe how quiet it is. Gyro gains seem fine. I don't see no shaking or fluttering.
30 seconds.
Okay, I got 30 seconds. I gotta land this cowboy. I'm gonna land it on the grass. There it is, F-35. She's a dream. Let's get another pass.
Time expired.
Okay, I gotta land this. A lot of guys say they could do 4S. I might have to try 4S. Okay, coming in for landing. Coming in for landing. Whoa, beautiful grass landing. Yeah, that was nice. F-35, folks. Oh, she's a dream. I love it. And you all know what I got under the hood. Got my NX3 gyro, my Spectrum AR620, and I'm running a 3S 2200. All right, I'll see you on the next one.